Here's how to fix game bar not recording in Windows 11. First, open the settings application on your computer. From the left side, select Gaming, and then click Game Bar. Make sure the game bar feature is turned on and enabled. Once you've confirmed that it's enabled, select Apps from the left side and then click Installed Apps. Scroll down to the bottom of the Installed Applications list and select System Components. Locate Game Bar, then click the 3 horizontal dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section and click Repair. Wait a few seconds while Windows repairs the game bar application. After the repair is complete, go to your desktop and press the Windows key and the G key together on your keyboard to open Xbox Game Bar. Once it appears, click the Settings icon in the top navigation bar. Then select More Settings. Here, select Widgets, then scroll to the top of the available settings. Make sure the option to record in the background while playing a game is enabled. Next, check the audio to record setting and make sure it is configured to either game or all, depending on what you want to capture in your recordings. After configuring the audio settings, go back and open the Inputs tab. Scroll down until you find the Start and Stop Recording option. Check the keyboard shortcut assigned to this function so you know which keys to use when starting or stopping a recording. By default, the shortcut is Windows key plus Alt plus R. Pressing these keys together should start the gameplay recording, and pressing them again should stop the recording. Once these settings are correctly configured, Xbox Game Bar should be able to record your gameplay, and that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.